It happened again. Yes, we've hit another milestone here in the Kicking the Seat YouTube channel, and I could not have done it without your help. Your subscribing, of course, your watching, your sharing the videos. This is a heartfelt appreciation from me to you on this special occasion of 400 subs. Now, in all honesty, full transparency, I achieved this milestone a little while ago, but there's kind of a jinx factor. You don't want to celebrate too early, because if you get to 400 subscribers or 401, 402, there's inevitably going to be some people who unsubscribe and knock you back down below the line. On top of that, as uncharacteristic as it might seem, YouTube had not sent me anything in the mail to commemorate my subscriber achievements, which they had been doing pretty much all through last year. I hit a couple of significant milestones at 200 and 300. Where's my 400 custom play button? Well, fortunately, the YouTube overlords did not forget me. I received this package in the mail just the other day, and I'm going to unbox it, and we're going to see what the 400th subscriber YouTube play button actually looks like. So I'm going to share that with all of you, because again, none of this would have happened without your support. So let's crack this open and see what they have to say, and if there's an explanation for the delayed response. What we got? Looks like the same box they sent last time. They don't get very fancy over there at YouTube, but you know, I guess the content is all free, so you're not going to invest in a whole lot of fancy schmancy packaging. There's a letter, of course, dated December 15th, 2021. Dear Kickseat, congratulations on your latest subscriber milestone. As you've seen in the last year, we at Team YouTube have increased our outreach efforts to celebrate all of our cherished content creators, from the million-plus follower juggernauts to the small but mighty workhorses who form the backbone of our community. In the spirit of this season, we are happy to share with you a very special 400 subscriber play button with a unique and downright delicious holiday twist. Thank you for your dedication, and here's to the next milestone for Boss Bass Bacon Bonanza. I assume this is a form letter that they just, yeah. Anyway, best wishes, Mervyn Hurstwhistle, YouTube Creator Outreach, intern. Well, you know, whatever. Oh, there's a Post-it note included. P.S. This is handwritten too. I've been asked to include a note about possible delays due to supply chain issues and related shipping delays. This will probably reach you well before December 25th, but be aware that some settling may occur. Settling, I don't know. Well, let's see what this button looks like. We have the requisite packing material. They take very good care of their products. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Look at this. Am I holding this right? It's Tupperware in the shape of a YouTube play button. I mean, the play button is Tupperware. That's amazing. This is like a custom deal. This isn't like flimsy. Oh, well, it is paper, but more importantly, inside are some fresh baked holiday cookies. They don't smell the greatest. This is 400. You know what? There's probably 400 pieces of crumbly cookie in here. This isn't some like shipping delay or accident or, you know, mishandling because it's been sitting on a truck for a month. This is deliberate, and I appreciate it. That's awesome, YouTube. Thank you so much. And again, thank you everybody who's been part of this journey. It's been 3 years, roughly, I think 3 years coming up this summer, 400 subscribers. Could not have asked for anything more, except for more subscribers. So please, if you like this content, like and share this video, tell all your friends. And yeah, if you can subscribe again, I don't know, without unsubscribing and resubscribing, feel free to do that. And until next time, whenever that is, whatever that is, thanks very much for watching the Kicking the Seat YouTube channel, and take care.